Hey guys, Tyler here, back with another travel video, and that is the smile of a guy who just took in one of the most breathtaking views in his life. Follow along as I describe my journey to camp on top of the tallest waterfall in the world, Tugela Falls in South Africa. The story of this journey begins in Johannesburg, where after arriving by plane, I made my way to the sports store Decathlon. This store has everything camping related except for what I actually needed, isobutane fuel for my Jetboil camp stove. Fortunately, Hypermart, which is very similar to a Walmart, did have what I needed, and of course, some other essentials. Leaving Johannesburg, I then had a 4-hour drive. This gave me plenty of time to get the feel for driving on the left-hand side of the road. This was my first trip to South Africa, and the countryside was really beautiful. Eventually, the drowsiness of a 9-hour time difference began to set in, but by this time I could see the Drakensberg Mountains in the distance. As I got closer, I had a good look at Sentinel Peak before making the final turn to my accommodation for the night, Witsy Hook Mountain Lodge. Witsy Hook is the gateway to Sentinel Peak and the Tugela Falls Hike. They organize several shuttles to and from the trailhead each day, and while you don't have to stay here to take advantage of the shuttle service, it does make for an easy start in the morning if you're already there. They have a variety of room accommodation levels. I went with the backpacker option, which gave me my own bedroom but shared bathroom and kitchen facilities. I ended up eating at the restaurant, and I was quite pleased with my beef stroganoff. Breakfast was pretty good too. I loaded up because it would be my last big meal for a while. Para mi video de YouTube. Hola, chicas de Santiago. We piled into the shuttle and we were on our way to the trailhead. You can take your own car, but this road is definitely 4x4 only. And here we have the Sisters of Santiago, Chile, making their way up the mountain. Have some lovely weather right now. An estimate 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Light breeze, feels real nice. Just met some people who camped at the top last night though. And they said it was really cold and really windy on the plateau, so I guess I expected that, but we'll see how that goes tonight. Alright guys, take a look at this ravine. This is an option if the ladders, which I'm about to show you, are too scary for you. Okay, looks like we have made it to the ladders. Whoa. Let's do this. Miedo. We did it. So which one is Mount Oxorsis?
That one over there is Mount Jesus, and that one over there is the Crow's Nest.
Crow's Nest.
There, it's to Waterfall.
All right. Tugela Falls. Tallest waterfall in the world? Yes. Is it the most incredible waterfall in the world? Maybe not. In fact, there are times of the year where there's no water flowing at all. Alright, so all the nice people I met are headed back down for the day. About 2:30 in the afternoon. A bit more exploring along the way here. And this area over here is Lesotho. We're going to check that out as well. Alright guys, so according to my maps, officially I am in Lesotho, and this is my 74th country, so it's pretty exciting. As you can imagine, the weather can turn pretty bad on top of the plateau. Fortunately, there is a shelter near the falls. It's visible from the falls and looks like it could accommodate 10 to 20 people if needed. Well, I am happy to say that the wind has died down. Let's hope it stays like that for the evening. Getting camp set up here. A nice little view. I enjoyed a nice chicken Alfredo dinner, a decent sleep, and then this, the most incredible sunrise of my life. Woo! What a sunrise. Alright, so I'm on my way back, just got down into the clouds, and just wanted to say that camping on top of the tallest waterfall in the world, definitely top 10 experience of my life. And the sunrise this morning, that's the #1 best sunrise I've ever experienced. It was incredible. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more travel content. Thanks. See ya.